In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send messages to all contacts on WhatsApp if you've ever needed to share an announcement, a reminder, or an update with many people at once without creating a group chat. This is exactly what you're looking for. We'll use a WhatsApp broadcast, which sends the same message to multiple people at the same time, but each person receives it privately in their individual chat with you. Start by opening WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on the web in your browser if that's more convenient. Once WhatsApp is open, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the menu. This is where you'll find tools that help you manage messages and reach more people efficiently. From that menu, choose New Broadcast. A broadcast list lets you send one message to many contacts at once, and you can include up to 256 people in a single list. Unlike a group, recipients won't see each other or know who else received the message. They'll simply see it as a normal chat from you. Now select who you want to include. Use the search bar to quickly find names or scroll and tap each contact you want to add. As you build the list, keep in mind that only contacts who have saved your number in their address book will receive your broadcast. If someone doesn't get it, that's usually the reason. This is a great moment to think about your audience and keep your list relevant so your message stays helpful and welcome. When you're done choosing contacts, tap the check mark in the bottom right corner to create the broadcast list. This saves your selections and opens a chat window that looks just like a regular conversation, but it's tied to your broadcast. You can reuse this list later for future updates, which makes it handy for ongoing communications. Type your message and hit send. Your text, photos, videos, documents, or voice notes will be delivered privately to everyone on the list. Replies will come back as individual messages, so you can respond one-on-one. For best results, keep your message clear and concise, add context up front, and if you include links or media, make sure they're essential and trustworthy. It's also a good practice to respect people's preferences. If someone asks to stop receiving updates, remove them from future broadcasts. That's all it takes to send messages to many contacts at once while keeping conversations private and organized. Try it with your next announcement, and you'll save time without sacrificing that personal touch.